previous chapter. In second chapter, I am talking about second chapter, and topic of second chapter is longitude and latitude. In last chapter, we completed the explanation about the chapter. Today, I am continuing with that same chapter, and let me complete all question answers and exercise. So let's start with define the following words. First following the defining word is hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Actually, hemisphere is the one half of the earth, means half part of the earth. Actually, the shape of earth is this, and hemisphere is this. The half of the circle, this earth is called hemisphere. So what is hemisphere? Hemisphere, one half of the earth. It is the complete shape of the earth, and this half part, this is called hemisphere. And hemisphere, earth has been divided into two hemisphere by equator, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This part is northern hemisphere, this part is northern hemisphere. Okay beta? And this below equator, this part is southern hemisphere. Which part is this? Southern hemisphere. So this is the northern part, this is the southern part. This is northern hemisphere, this is northern hemisphere, and this is southern hemisphere. Okay beta? So hemisphere word is clear here. Now intersect. Intersect means to cross each other. Like when we talk about intersecting or intersect word, it means that there are more than one lines who are overlapping each other. Suppose these are vertical lines and these horizontal lines are overlapping each other, crossing each other. It means that these are intersecting each other. Fine. So these are the two define the words for this chapter. And first question, let's start the question answers. So first question is, what are latitudes? What is our first question? First question is, what are latitude? Beta, in our previous chapter I have discussed that what are latitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal line. Latitudes are the horizontal, means ki sleeping lines on the earth. These lines are not exactly drawn there. These lines are imaginary line, like geographers have made some conception to make some calculation correct. So suppose it is the picture of earth, and on earth there are some horizontal lines, means these are the sleeping lines, horizontal lines running from east to west. So it is the special feature of latitudes that latitudes are the horizontal imaginary line circling the earth. Circling means ki starting from east to west and again from the back side it is reaching the same point. So latitudes are the imaginary line circling the earth from east to west. Fine. Next part of this question is list important latitudes. Actually, there are total number of latitudes are, what is the total number of latitudes? These are 180 plus 1. These are 181. There are 181 latitudes on the earth. 181 means ki 180 plus 1. This one is including equator. Equator is the longest latitude, you see. It is the longest latitude on the earth, which divides the complete earth into two equal halves. So let's start with what are the important latitudes on the earth. So first important latitude is Arctic Circle. First is Arctic Circle, and the degree value of Arctic Circle is 66 complete 1/2 degree north. And second important latitude is Tropic of Cancer. And what is the location of this Tropic of Cancer? 23 complete 1/2 degree north. Why north and not two times written here? Because these latitudes are falling above equator. So as I said there that those areas which are located above equator, they comes under northern part or northern hemisphere, and those areas or phases which are falling below equator, they are called in southern part or in southern hemisphere. So that is why there we find variation in the degree values. These are written as north and the lower part is written as south. Degree is same, numbers are same, but their hemisphere location is different. These are falling in northern hemisphere, so N is written there. These are falling in southern hemisphere, so S is written here. Now let's talk about this 0 degree equator. This is the longest latitude on the earth, and it is the longest latitude which divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. And fourth one important latitude is Tropic of Capricorn, and the degree location of this latitude is 23 complete 1 by 2 degree south. And below this, fifth one and last one important latitude is Antarctic Circle, which is Antarctic Circle, and degree value is 66 complete 1 by 2 degree south. And once again I want to remind you regarding this diagram, that is in previous video, due to some manual complication, these has been alternated. So now I have corrected this diagram. It will be 23 complete 1 by 2 degrees south, and it will be 66 complete 1 by 2 degrees south. There we have to pay attention comparison to our previous video. Now describe important features of latitude. What are the special characteristics of latitudes? Beta, latitudes are, first point is latitudes are imaginary line. Second important feature is that latitudes are circling from east to west. How are they moving? They are moving from east to west. They all are moving from east to west. And latitudes helps to locate places and calculate time. These are the general features of all latitudes. This one we have done. Now what are grids? Actually the word grid means network, and network is formed by the crossing of more than one or two lines, and these grids are formed here due to the crossing of latitudes and longitudes. Let's see how. See, what are grids? See beta, this is our earth. What is this? This is our earth, and these are latitudes. What are these? These are latitudes running from east to west. These all are latitudes. Fine. And these are poles, north poles, and this is south. Now see what happens. These are longitude, starting from north pole and meeting to south pole. In this way, all longitudes are, these are vertical lines. These are vertical line running from north pole and meeting to the south pole. Now see, they have crossed each other. All latitudes and longitudes have crossed each other. Now what are they forming? They are forming these small boxes, and these small boxes are called grid. Yes, now we can say that grid is the network of longitude and all latitudes. This is all about grid. Now what is the significance of ideal? First of all, we will talk about what is the full form of ideal. Actually beta, the word ideal means international date line. Beta, it is an imaginary line where calendar dates are changing. So in short form we are calling it IDL, but the full form is international date line. So once again, differentiate between longitude and latitude. As I have discussed earlierly that what are latitudes and longitudes, again I am repeating that longitudes are the vertical line. This is what? Vertical line. Longitudes are the vertical line. These are standing lines. See, these are vertical lines starting from north pole to and meeting to south pole. And what are latitudes? Latitudes are the horizontal line. What are these? Horizontal line. Horizontal line means ki sleeping lines. These are sleeping lines. So this is all about longitude and latitude. And longitude, and one more difference is that total numbers of longitudes are 360. What is the total number of longitude? It is 360. And what is the total number of latitude on the globe? It is 180 plus 1 equals to 181. So this is all about the short explanation of the chapter once again, and chapter related question answers we have solved here. I hope you all have understood. This chapter is very easy. I have explained the chapter by following the diagram, and this diagram please you draw in your fair notebook and learn all these degrees and exact location of these latitude. So this is all about this chapter.
And still if you find any complication, still if you find any problem, if you want to make any queries, I am there to help you. You can write in the comment section below, you can drop your comment there, you can drop your queries there. I am there to help you. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. So let's meet in the next chapter, in next session with new topic. Till then, goodbye, take care.